the business is done. So, paano ang business? Okay, so ito muna. For a business to last, it must solve a problem. No? And what is the big problem today that we are facing? No, is the financial struggles, no, of many people. Bakit? Kasi first is low salary. Yes. Second is income is fixed, but expenses keep rising. Yes, totoo talaga yan. Groceries, fuel, tuition fees, kuryente, pataas ng pataas. But ang income, konti lang ang taas. No, limited job opportunities here in the Philippines. Kaya ang dami nag-OFW, no, dahil dito, no, kunti lang yung makikita mong job opportunities. Kaya maraming husbands, wives, they're forced to leave their families para kumita ng pera, no? Okay, ano pa? Maraming utang, no? Kasi yun nga, kulang ang kita. Tapos lack of financial literacy. No, yung iba kasi may income naman but nawala din dahil kulang ng financial literacy, like they don't track their expenses and they spend more than they earn, di ba? Or they rely on loans without understanding sa interest na ang laki pala. Yan, yes, no? Problem din yan. Okay, so yun ang problem natin and we are here to provide solution. And the business solution is lifestyles distributorship. So ang business natin is not really networking, it's distributorship of lifestyles products. And how we do it? Naka-franchise siya using the AB franchising system. So we can distribute it either by ourselves, tayo-tayo lang, like that of Sari-Sari Store, or we build a team, which is like opening branches or network of Sari-Sari stores. But the good thing is, hindi natin kailangan ng malaking capital in opening branches. We just need duplication. And this will be explained later. Ano itong duplication? Okay? So bakit ito yung best business today? Number one, perfect timing. Wellness is a $1 trillion business. Yes, $1 trillion business ito. No? It's a wellness revolution talaga. Okay? Bakit ganun kalaki ang wellness business? Because people are actively looking for health products. And in any business, timing is everything. Kasi imaginein mo, if ang business mo, DVD rentals, kahit anong effort gawin mo, kahit hindi ka pa natulog, kasi nag-open ka sa DVD rentals mo, ang hirap kumita. Kasi mga tao into Netflix na, di ba? Pero tayo, nasa wellness, so mas madali ang business dahil it's a wellness age. Nahanap talaga ng tao. Hindi siya uso-uso lang. It's a daily need. Number two, proven yung products, trusted for over 30 years and counting. Kasi di ba maraming products na come and go in the market. Trending lang. But ours, tested and trusted talaga. Alam nyo ba, trivia lang, yung Intra, since day one, it was launched 30 years ago, the formulation is never changed. Bakit? Because it works. Diba? Number three, bakit siya best business? Home-based business. People want income kasi without leaving home. So maganda dito, wala tayong office. So wala ring time in, tsaka time out. Nasa bahay lang tayo while watching the kids, walang traffic, work from anywhere, basta may mga internet lang at phone. Kahit saan pwede gawin ang business. Number four, small capital, big income. So, yan. Hindi talaga kailangan yung malaking capital. Ang kailangan, strong duplication. Unlike traditional business, na required talaga na big yung capital, yung rent mo, yung inventory mo, mga employees mo, but dito hindi kailangan ng malaking capital kahit mag-open ka pa ng branch, no? But malaki pa rin ang kikitain. Basta magpa-duplicate ka lang. Okay? Why best business? Number five, proven system, reliable results. Guided by the AB franchising system. No more trial and error in this business. Kasi the hard part has been done. Sundan mo na lang ang system. Paturo lang, and with the system, ang bilis lalaki ng business mo by duplication. Okay? So, yan. Dito, we're not just selling, we're part of the solution to health and income struggles today. So, ito talaga ang pinaka-paborito ko rin kasi we are part of the solution, not part of the problem. Naging advocacy natin to to bring hope to every home. Hope about good health and hope about financial freedom. Yes, napaka-inspiring talaga. Okay, so what makes this model powerful? Answer, leverage. Ang leverage wala sa traditional business, wala sa employment. Napakagandang business, hindi basta-basta na business. Kaya maraming na mga rags to riches stories dito. Kasi again, hindi siya kailangan ng millions. No, we just need duplication. Merong mga tricycle driver, manicurista na naging millionaire. Kasi with leverage, again, no, duplication lang kailangan. So para mag-multiply yung number of hours natin, yung work natin. So what is leverage? Leverage is using the system to multiply your results. That's why lagi ko sinasabi yan na 24 hours a day is not enough for us to get rich. We have to be leveraged, and this business is the most affordable business model where you can be leveraged. Okay? So, ano to? Bakit ano tayo dito? Naging successful tayo dito? Naging millionaire tayo? Because number one, you earn not just from your work, but also from your team's effort. No? Kailangan talaga yan. Marami tayo working together. It's like pushing a car uphill. Di ba? Kung ikaw lang, mahirap gawin. But if 5 kayo or 10 kayo, the car moves faster and easier. So ganun din dito. It's a business for yourself but not all by yourselves. No? Mas malaki ang income dahil nagtulong-tulungan tayo. Okay? So, it's like franchising without the high cost. Yes, when we talk of franchising kasi, no, associated talaga yan na mahal. 'Di ba? Mga 7-Eleven, mga Starbucks, yan, franchising yan. But ours, naka-franchise din ang system, proven na, tested na, marami na naging successful, pero hindi siya mahal. Kayang-kaya sa budget. Kaya tawag dito, people's franchise. So ano pa? Work once, earn continuously. No? Unlike sa job, when you stop working, the income stops. Yun nangyari sa akin. 11 years akong nag-work. Nung nag-stop ako, wala na rin yung income. But in this business, no, 3 years ko lang ginawa, year 2000 to 2003, but hanggang ngayon, nag-earn pa rin ako ng 7-digit income. So, once mo lang gawin, ang pag-build ng network mo, ng team mo, ng organization mo, and is giving you income month after month after month after month. Walang katapusan after month. No? Para kang nagtatanim ng mangga. At first, ilalagaan mo, you water it, and after some time, lumaki na siya, at namunga na, and it continues to bear fruit, no? Working or not working. So you only work once, but the income keeps coming. Ano pa? Earn not just an active income, but also passive income. Tingnan mo tong drawing, no? Sa drawing, this is you, ikaw to. Tapos, may na-sponsor ka na 2, si A at saka B. Direct effort mo yon. Tapos, si A, masipag, na-duplicate ng marami kasi nagpaturo siya using the system. Ganon din si B, dumami din sila. So, tingnan mo, if hanggang direct effort ka lang, hindi ka talaga yayaman dahil 2 lang. But by power of duplication, leveraging, hindi na mabilang sa dami ng tao mo at unlimited pa yan. At hindi na rin mabilang sa dami ng income mo, di ba? Napaka-exciting. So your business, you grow your business not by having big capital, but by duplication. And the good news is, meron na tayong proven AB franchising duplication system for duplication. Sundan mo na lang, paturo tayo, and gawin natin ng tama. And mag-earn tayo ng passive income. No? It's an income na while natutulog ka, nag-travel ka, nag-shopping ka, may income pa rin. Yes, gusto natin yan. Okay? So, ito pa. Mas exciting ito, no? Kasi how the income works, 5 ways to earn. No, in most job kasi, 1 source of income lang. But dito, there are 5 ways. So, mas madali mo ma-achieve ang freedom mo. So, ano ba to? So, meron tayong retail profit dito, 20 to 40%. Wholesale profit, 10 to 20%. Yes, meron tayong retail and wholesale profit dito dahil meron tayong real demand ng products natin. No, marami nga dito, kahit hindi nag-business, bumili pa rin ng product kasi kailangan nila yung product. Yun din ako nung nag-decide ako, sabi ko kahit hindi ako mag-business, bibili pa rin ako ng product kasi nawala yung allergic rhinitis ng husband ko. So, ang ganda ng business natin. So, maganda kasi, yun nga, kahit wala kang sponsor or wala kang sign up, kikita ka pa rin. And aside sa profit, meron pang bonuses. No, makita mo, meron kang bonuses pag mag-grow na yung team mo. So, yung bonuses nito, mga fast track bonus, royalty bonus, and organizational bonus. So, paano ba to? So, yung mga users mo, gusto magka-discount, di ba? Tapos, kung gusto nila magka-discount, they have to sign up. And once they sign up, they become part of your team, no? Either as users or distributors sila. And since this is a business of duplication, ang mga sign up mo, may mga sign ups din. So, ang bilis ng paglaki ng team mo. Yan. At once malaki na ang team mo, malaki na din ang bonus mo. Yes, it's a duplication business. The more duplication, the more bonuses. And among the bonuses, ang royalty bonus ang pinakamalaki. So, illustrate natin paano tong royalty bonus. So, this is power of duplication. So, ikaw to, of course, ikaw yan, nag-start yan. Tapos, ang hanapin mo, 6. We need 6 to reach the highest position of lifestyles and earn 1 million per month. So, now na nakahanap ka na ng 6, marunong ka nang maghanap ng 6, it gives you the ability to teach people to find their 6 also. So, each of the 6 will find their 6, naging 36. Okay? So, same ginawa nila, yung 6, find their 6, 216, 1296, 7,776, hanggang naging 9,330. So, see, yung tao mo, naging 9,330, yayaman ka talaga sa 9,330. Pero baka sabihin mo, 9,330 sa team ko, parang hindi ko kaya yan. Please, remember, 6 lang talaga yung direct effort mo dyan. At saka tinuruan mo yung 6 to find their 6 also. In other words, ang 9,330 is not byproduct of your own effort. It's a byproduct of a duplication system. Galing, no? So, 6 lang, tapos naging 9,330. Ang sabi ng company, kahit 20% lang dyan ang maggamit ng product, you'll be left with 1,866 katao na mag-order lang ng 3B tickets. Yung 3B tickets, ano lang to, users lang to. No? Para sa kanya, para sa husband niya, para sa anak niya, para sa lola niya. Pero ang mga distributor, more than 3. No? Siguro, 50 boxes, intra, no? 40 boxes, basta marami pag distributor ka. And ito lang, 3 bitikit lang example natin. Each month, kukuha ang mga 1,866 katao. Alam mo, magkano yung royalty bonus mo? 1,511,460 month after month after month. At ang dami pang after month dyan. Grabe, no? Nag-enjoy ako dyan at marami pang tao nag-enjoy this income. So, mag-i-enjoy din kayo sa income na yan pag gawin nyo ito, yung business na to. Okay? So, yan, no? Ano pa? So, your first step to financial freedom starts here. No? Maganda talaga itong opportunity. It gives you the ability to earn 1 million per month. Kaya lang, hindi naman siya bed of roses, yung path natin to journey. Meron tayong maraming obstacles. Pero ang biggest obstacle of all is ang pag-umpisa, yung pag-start. Kasi walang pera, walang time, walang skills. Pero napaka-funny, no? Kasi lahat ng yan makukuha mo pag mag-start ka na sa business. Kasi when I started, wala akong pera, walang skills, pero walang time. Pero nung nakita ko to, nung nag-succeed ako dito, ang dami kong pera, ang dami kong time, ang dami kong skills. So, the only struggle of success lang talaga is start. How you start is getting started. So, paano ka mag-start? These are the investment packages. Maraming packages dyan, maraming ways how to start. But ipakita ko sa inyo yung malaki yung ROI. So, first one is Instant Direct. 30% yung discount mo. Tapos, ang bayaran mo lang is only 101,960. Pero ang products makuha mo is more than your capital. So, balik na yung capital mo, 142,800, tapos may profit ka pa. May libre pa siyang 9 bottles, that's 16,200. So, ang profit and savings mo is 57,000. Ang ROI mo is 56%. Normally, 2 months, maubos mo na yung instant direct mo. So, ang laki ng 56%. Kasi kung mag-impito ka, nasa 6 to 7% lang yan a year. But dito, 2 months, may 56% ka na. So, kung malaki para sa'yo yung instant direct, merong kalahati dito, no? Express direct. Bigyan ka automatic 20% discount. So, yung bayaran mo na lang is 62,480 and you will get products worth 75,600. So, balik na yung capital more than pa. May profit pa kasi may libre na tatlo. That's 5,400. So, ang profit and savings mo, 18,520. Normally, 1 month, maubos mo tong Express Direct. Ang ROI niya, 30%. Tapos, meron pa tong 1 million accident insurance and you will enjoy 40% discount anytime your next purchase. So, kung inumin mo lang, meron kasing iba na nag-Express Direct, nag-Instant Direct, inumin lang nila. So, nakasave ka 720 pesos per bottle. No? Pero kung ibenta mo yan, that's your profit, 720 pesos. Ang maganda pa, isang beses ka lang may explain, tapos yan, reorder na reorder. Kasi hindi mo makita ito in any retail environment. Exclusive lang sa mga lifestyle distributor. So, may 720 ka per bottle of Intra. Kung bitikit ang kinukuha niya, that's 3,360. Pero kung ininom mo yan, savings mo yan, 3,360. Okay? So, yan. So, the system. So, how we help you succeed. Kung mag-invest ka na, meron tayong sistema. Paano ka matutulungan? Kasi napaka-importante para hindi ka na mag-trial and error. Hindi ka na mag-umpisa from scratch. No more guessing game na. No? Kasi meron ng system na sundan mo na lang. Ako nga, pinaka-importante sa akin ang system, no? Para sa akin, mas importante yung system kaysa product at complan. Alam mo bakit? Kasi tingnan mo yung McDonald's, 'di ba? Palagi ko example 'yan. Hindi naman extraordinary yung taste nila sa burger, pero ang laki ng business nila. Bakit? Kasi may franchising system sila. And ganun din, kahit gaano din kaganda ang marketing plan, if ang product mo hindi naman saleable, wala rin. So, ako, if I have to rate kung anong pinaka-importante sa business, number 1 para sa akin yung system. Yung system talaga. Number 2 sa akin yung product. At number 3 sa akin yung complan. But alam mo, with lifestyles, you don't have to choose. Kasi maganda ang system, phenomenal ang product, at generous yung complan. No? Napaka-exciting talaga. So ito yung mga tools, trainings, and support to build a successful business. Number 1, online tools natin. Marami tayong mga online tools, mga intra-site natin. Iyon ang personal website mo, your own website. Tapos yung PBC, yung back office support mo, parang accounting system, accounting department mo to where you can find your check, paano ka dito ka mag-order ng products, makita yung mga downlines mo, and many more. Number 3, BOP. That's Business Owners Pro, no? Ito yung business starter guide natin. This is where you can find everything like video tutorials on how to do our business and many more. Okay, so yun ang mga online tools natin. Tapos meron tayong regular events and trainings para excited tayo palagi. Then meron din tayong AB community kasi ito yung mga ano natin, parang ano to, it's like our second family where we can find love and support. Importante yan. Number 4, mentorship. Dito tuturuan, sasamahan ka sa journey mo towards financial freedom. And number 5, AB franchising system. So, it's your ready-made business na sundan mo na lang. Okay? So, yan. Okay, so last line na ako. So, real stories, real results. So, ano ba yung story ko? CPA ako by profession. So, nag-resign ako kasi na-stress ako sa work. So, nung nag-resign ako, pag grade 1 ng anak ko, wala akong pang tuition. So, nagngutang ako, 12,000 para sa enrollment niya. So, ginawa ko, nagpumunta ako ng Amerika, nag-OFW ako. Pero, na-homesick, bumalik sa Pilipinas, jobless, until naka-receive ako ng letter sa Pag-ibig na i-foreclose yung bahay ko. So, ang ginawa ko, bumalik ako sa work. Finance manager. In the morning, nag-report ako, job orientation. In the afternoon, di na ako bumalik. Nagka-workophobia ako. So, nag-pray ako ni God, God, give me something. Gusto ko mag-business. Ayaw ko na mag-work. Give me something na maliit lang yung capital, pero ang laki ng kita. No? So, ito talaga, answered prayer talaga to. So, every time, sinabi ko yan, you don't need millions to earn millions. You just need duplication. Ano talaga, no? Relate ko talaga yan. No? So, yan, no? Naalala ko yung yung naggamit na pala kami ng intra na wala yung allergic rhinitis ng husband ko. Sabi ko, ito yung gawin ko. So nag-borrow ako ng 10,000, tapos merong 30-day money back guarantee. So doon ako humugot ng lakas kasi ng confidence ko kasi ginaguarantee yung satisfaction. Tapos sinasama-samahan ako sa sponsor ko. Tsaka ang galing talaga ng product. So yan, in less than a year na fully paid yung bahay ko na supposed to be 15 years bayaran. So in 2 months time, naging direct distributor ako kasi hindi ko afford yung packages na yun. I just started 10,000 lang. So, first check ko, 19,000. 3 months of business, naging regional director ako. Second check ko, 69,000. 4 months of business, executive director ako, 85,000. Tapos, 7 months of business, 200,000 yung check ko. 10 months of business, international marketing director ako. And in 36 months or almost 3 years, naging global marketing director ako, more than 1 million per month. Ito, hindi talaga paramihan ng kapital ito dahil ako nag-umpisa lang sa utang. Or dapat magaling ka magsalita kasi I was so shy nung nag-start ako. Or may experience ka sa business kasi ako, ito, first time ko to in this industry. But meron lang 3 susi sa tagumpay. There are only 3 keys to success. Number 1, pangarap. Lakihan mo yung pangarap mo. Dapat malaki, super laki talaga para hindi mo makita ang mga rejections dahil natabunan sa laki ng pangarap mo. Dito talaga magsimula ang pagbabago ng buhay mo. Ito yung opportunity para matupad ang pangarap mo at ang pamilya mo. And number 2, trabaho. Given na yan sa Pilipino na hardworking tayo. Paborito nga tayo sa mga employees abroad. Pero ilagay lang natin sa tamang opportunity. And number 3, teachable. Let's not reinvent the wheel. Kasi if you make your own rules, makonfuse ang team at mapatay yung duplication. Ano lang natin, i-align natin yung work natin, yung activities natin with the system, yung business natin with the system, align lang, and duplication follows, and millions follows. Okay, so yan lang ang opportunity natin, and gawin ito ng tama, duplicate natin, and ready-made na yung business. So ang gawin lang natin is mag-umpisa talaga, sign up now, and start your journey to build assets and be free.